Hi everyone, this is Abhinav from Apps Review Arena, and today I'm here to review about the latest application launched by Google, that is Google Keep. Now before heading on with the review of this application, I would like to tell you that this application has got a web interface, and the web interface is available on docs.google.com/keep. Now there are many features which are not available on a web interface, but they are available on your Android application. So starting on with the review, the first question which can pop up in your mind is that why to at all go for this application when you have Evernote and Any.do applications which do similar things. The reason is it has been launched by Google. Yes, it has only basic features as of now, but you can presume that as time passes, they will be updating it with all the latest features which Evernote has. The best part about this application is it can be easily integrated with all the other web services offered by Google, like Gmail, like Docs, like Drive, or even Play Store. Now, coming on to all the features, all the basic features which this application offers is first of all the quick note. Now, if you want to add a note, then you can tap it here. It is the quickest way to create a note, but the restrictions are you cannot add any feature like image, voice recording, an image, or any other attachment, file attachment. So the traditional way or the most usual way to create a note will be to tap here, followed by the title and the note which you need to enter, the most obvious parts, and then this section, the color section, which basically highlights your note and which can be used to prioritize the notes. For example, the red color can be used to make a note which is urgent, a blue which is not urgent, which can be treated as a casual note. Similarly, all the others have their different meaning as proposed by you. Now, going back, you can see that I have already taken a note which has got an image in it. Now this image can be added with the help of this image section. Here you will complete the action with the camera, and then you can take any image right there only, which can be added in the note. Now the text of that image can be added below it. This will be the title and this will be the note, and similarly an image with note can be, a note with an image can be completed. Now coming on to the another feature which calls the voice feature. It's something interesting, but the fact is you cannot record the voice in the note, rather you can actually interpret your voice to the words. For example, I want to write a note. So I took more pause between I want to write and a note, so it completed the sentences to write only. So these are all the basic features of this application. Apart from it, you can choose a note to share it, to delete it, and to archive it. This icon can be used to share it. This icon can be used to archive it. Another shortcut to archive a note is swipe it to the right or swipe it to the left. See, it has been archived. So basically, these are all the features which are available in this application. And another good part is the syncing feature is too fast. If you start creating a note and put 2 alphabets or 3 alphabets in it, it will take just 4 to 5 seconds to sync it with the web interface available at docs.google.com/keep. So this is all from my side. Thanks for watching the video. Please follow us on Facebook and visit our website. Signing off, Abhinav Singh, Apps Review Arena.